Behold, the stylish Honda Odyssey. With its sleek, streamlined exterior design and available 19-inch alloy wheels, this sophisticated ride is sure to impress the entire family. Looking good. Loading up is a breeze with the power sliding doors. And with the Odyssey's key fob, these doors can be activated remotely. Convenience at your fingertips. Need a helping hand? With the available hands-free access power tailgate, just kick your foot or paw and voila! Hands-free and hassle-free. Lost in a sea of fog? Fear not! The standard LED fog lights are here to save the day. Cut through the mist and light your way to your next adventure. Treasure awaits! Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to be amazed by the innovative Magic Slide second row seats. Effortless seating configurations with Super Mode, Buddy Mode, and Wide Mode. And for my next trick, I'll disappear. Ta-da! Start your adventures with ease using Remote Engine Start. Warm up or cool down your cabin before you even step inside, so you can enjoy your trip in comfort. It's perfect for folks like me who love being cozy. Say goodbye to glare with a second and available third row sunshades. Keep your passengers cool and comfortable without disrupting their view. I'll just have to work on my tan elsewhere. Ride in comfort with the Odyssey's Tri-Zone automatic climate control, front or back. Everyone's a winner with personalized climate settings. Easy breezy. Make every ride a connected one with seamless access to your favorite apps, music, navigation, and more through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto compatibility. Goodbye cables. Stream music, videos, and more on the available rear entertainment system. With a stunning 12.8-inch display, entertain all your passengers sitting in the back. Now, who's ready to have some fun?